So the two I'm currently traveling with are both surveyors. So let's just say I've learned a lot. Well, whatever I decide to gather from their conversation about surveying, that's always a bonus. Lake Wanaka! Located only an hour north of the famous New Zealand town of Queenstown and on Wanaka Lake, Wanaka is definitely worth a visit. It's a prime location for skiing in the winter, known for its Instagrammable pictures such as the Wanaka tree and, of course, Roy's Peak. The iconic Instagram spot of Roy's Peak. And for a team of this three, the perfect place for us to get some hiking done. Typical New Zealand, well, what I thought of New Zealand before coming here, sheep with mountains. Rob Roy Glacier Walk is located in Mount Aspiring National Park and is a moderate out and back 9-kilometer hike. It crosses over fast-flowing rivers on swing bridges. Passes by farmland with livestock, and the main attraction at the end, the glacier, of course. Nice. And hike number 2 here, or 3? I don't even know. 3. The Instagrammable Roy's Peak. Yesterday it wasn't nice enough for that, so instead we did Roy's Glacier, which was maybe even prettier than Roy's Peak. This one gets more publicity though, so let's have a look. It's 4K of up, maybe more. I kind of look ridiculous in my straw hat. This is what you do when you're in New Zealand. Roy's Peak, the best known hike in Wanaka. This trail is steep and zigzaggy, with no shade to protect you from the sun. And there you have it, folks. Roy's Peak. Ooh, what a steep fall. But once you're at the top, you can overlook Lake Wanaka and up to the peak of Mount Aspiring. This is well worth the 6 to 7 hour hike. Oh, here we go, running through the peaks. Be sure to subscribe and hit that like button. There's still a few more South Island videos coming. You can't go to Roy's Peak without an Instagram photo.